All right, so I'm here with Bastian Solutions. I've got Brian and Joe here, and we're here at MODEX 2018. And Brian, sorry, it's been a long day. If you, yeah, exactly. We're day 3 now. Yeah. So can you tell me a little bit about Bastian Solutions? Who are you guys? What do you guys do? For those who don't know.
So Bastian Solutions is one of the world's largest material handling and systems integrators. And what that means is that through our internal manufacturing and our network of vendors and partners, we can offer solutions to our clients really with anything within the 4 walls of a warehouse. So that's everything from your more traditional technologies like racking, conveyance, controls, all the way up to advanced technologies like sortation, goods to person, warehouse management systems, and eventually into the really advanced technologies like our mobile robotics group, which does a batch picking robot, and the one we're unveiling this week, our Ultra robot.
The fun stuff.
Right. Absolutely. It's the stuff that you think about when you're an engineer in college. How can I use this creativity? Here we go.
And there's the creativity. That's awesome. So, Joe, maybe you could walk me through a little bit. What is this? What's this new big innovation? It looks super exciting back here.
So this is our Ultra robot. It's a truck loading and unloading robot, and it does that by full autonomous systems. And what it really is designed for is to go inside a trailer, load it or unload it with fully autonomous. And these robots can go from one door to the other and unload or load multiple docks at the same time.
That's super exciting. This looks really, really cool. So how is this going to change and revolutionize supply chain or material handling as we know it? Well, who wants to take that question?
You can start it off and then, yeah.
Well, this is a big challenge. You know, nobody has done this before, and people have tried. They were successful, but it's slow and it's not reliable. What we've done is we've designed a solution for a very challenging problem, and we've built it from the scratch up just to have it designed specifically to be optimal for such applications and to fit in within these confined spaces and load tough products that are heavy, that can go up to 70 pounds. And this is a huge problem. You know, you have people that are trying to load or unload trucks with cases that are heavy, and they're very prone to injuries, and they don't last. There's very high turnover rate. And what we're trying to do here, we're showcasing this product, we're launching it officially into the market, and we're hoping we get a lot of traction and a lot of people to fund such applications and work with us to get these into the market.
Awesome. You have something to add?
Yeah, well, I was speaking to a warehouse manager the other day that has about a 300 employee warehouse, and he was saying that he has to pay his trailer unloader and loaders about a 50% premium that he does his regular warehousing staff because nobody will do it. He says, and even with that premium on top of it, there's still a retention rate half as good as the rest of the warehouse. So the turnover is unbelievable. So if you think about the current staffing issues that the industry is seeing, which is only going to get worse, and then you take the most laborious job within the warehouse, it's basically, we're doing essentially the dirty work that if you're lucky enough to have an operator do it, they're not going to do it very long. So not only is it an exciting technology, but it really fills a gap within the market that's only going to grow wider as the years go on.
That's super exciting. So it looks like it addresses a lot of those challenges. Really great solution, and it looks really cool. So
yeah, very aesthetic.
Yeah, exactly. So what I would, my next question would be, what's your go-to market strategy on this?
Well, I guess I'll kind of do high level and maybe go into detail. Sure. So with something like this, you always want to look for good partners, right? We can develop the product in-house, but if we can find a partner that has a live environment for us to test, troubleshoot, work out with, share some of the responsibility, that's always what we go for. So we've engaged one, and we're obviously, with the unveiling today, looking to add more and more. And then once we get our pilots out into the field, we refine the product, that's when we would, I think, probably start bulk manufacturing and really introduce it at a high level.
Awesome. He covered it all. He did an awesome job at it.
Great job.
Well.
Excellent. So last question. What are your top 3 marketing tactics?
3 marketing tactics? So I would say our YouTube channel is extremely strong. We have several thousand videos on there showing technologies, information sessions, case studies of existing projects we've done. We also do some traditional marketing tactics like flyers, outbound marketing, things like that. Obviously trade shows, network events, that's a large one for us. And then I would say the word of mouth. This is a very everyone in this industry knows each other, right? So if you do a good project, everyone can say, oh, I heard about that project you did with so-and-so. So utilizing our vendors as well as our customers is another terrific tactic for us.
Awesome, I really appreciate it. Best of luck here with Bastian, Brian, and Joe. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.